Hi, I'm Brent with Owensboro Insulators. Most of the time when you call us to your home, we're here to look at attic insulation, your crawl space, for duct cleaning and duct sealing. And now with our new financing options, it makes it even easier to complete all those tasks. But while we're here, we want to take a look at the entire home to see if there's any opportunities that we can make to make your home more energy efficient and more comfortable for you. So a little background about Owensboro Insulators. Our owner, Matthew Purcell, is a third-generation home builder. He saw the need in Owensboro and the surrounding counties for an insulation contractor with a high-level knowledge of building performance and attention to detail. My background comes from the HVAC world, where I spent 10 years as an HVAC service manager. We feel that collectively, we are the best team to provide energy efficiency and comfort for our customers. Our most common call when we come to a home is for attic insulation. And the reason being is because most of the time your attic is under insulated, as are most homes. However, while we're here, we also want to take our thermal imaging camera and we want to check for wall insulation. We also want to check for hot and cold rooms. We want to check for hot and cold spots you may be experiencing throughout your home. Insulation plays just as vital of a role in the summertime as what it does in the wintertime, because we want to keep all that cool air that you're paying for inside your home and not leaking out through your attic. Another service we offer is duct cleaning and duct sealing. While we're in the home, we'll check the integrity of your ductwork to make sure that you don't have any leakage, and we also want to check for contamination. We want you to have the most energy efficient and the best indoor air quality so that we can remove things like dust, pollen, pet dander, so that you and your family can breathe healthier. So before I hop up in your attic, there's a few things I want to let you know I'm looking for. One is to make sure that you have proper levels of insulation. But also, just as important is, do you have proper ventilation? That plays just as vital a role as what your insulation does. We don't want that stale static air in your attic space. It causes problems like mold, mildew, and structural damage. So if you do have that problem, you may be able to benefit from one of our solar-powered attic fans. Let's take a look. So by now, we've had a good chance to take a look at your home and identify some great opportunities for improvement. Whether that's blowing in insulation in your attic, conditioning your crawl space, cleaning your ductwork, or spray foaming your pole barn. We want you to know that we are your insulation experts. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I can't wait to meet you at your home.